Greetings once again. This is your Elder Black Light the Motivator on a sunny day. You see that sun is beaming, and the chemtrails right there. Now I know what those chemtrails are really for. It's for the Caucasians to keep from burning up. This is another Burn Baby Burn video. I'm out here in the backyard working on the garden, and I noticed that streak right there. I seen two more, but they vanished. This is the most recent streak in the sky. I'm expecting the plane to cover up all over here. So that's what it's for, man. That's mainly what it's for. To keep the Caucasian from burning up. Because we don't need no more rain. We done had rain for every day, almost every day this month. You got a flood watch in St. Clair Shores. So this is what's happening now. And ain't nobody gonna see it. Don't nobody hardly look up. You know, and if they do look up, they don't know what's going on. Very few people here in Detroit be conscious. You know, brothers in Detroit used to be the most conscious, or one of the most conscious cities. It was. Now they done went back to sleep. I mean, it's just the city of you got General Salvatore Seti and the new Gavi movement, the Nation of Islam Mosque #1, Nation of Islam Temple #1. They done turned. It seemed like the nation to turn Christian or something, man. They waiting on that mother plane to come back to save them, but they ain't fighting. If we was fighting, you know, maybe we'd get some help. But we just laying down, rolling over. I mean, like, you know, you can have leaders come in and teach, but if you know, you can lead a mule to water, but you can't make them drink. They can lead you to water, but you got to do the drinking, man. You know, Detroit is still in the 80th percentile, mostly black. We all out in the suburbs now. They did the gentrification on us. You go downtown now and get a loft, the price tag is $1 million. $1 million. Especially in the new center area. You know, not too far from where Gordy Motown was at, maybe about a mile around Woodward, Grand Boulevard. A loft down there is $1 million. Yeah, I heard him say it on the news. Yeah, that's where the Pistons new arena is at. It used to be out in Auburn Hills at the Palace. Now there. It vanished already. You don't see it no more. You see that sun, see, right there. You're looking at that sun being powered by, it's close too, man. Man, that sun is close. I wonder which sun is that? Yeah, I think that's our regular sun. Yeah, I know that. I don't see no other sun, so that ain't that Sears sun. But it's big and close. Look at that. So I guess they would have to throw some chemtrails up to block them rays, man, to keep them from burning up. And I'm out here. I'm up under the shade though. A little bit. I'm half under the shade, half in the that's my tree right there. Out here trying to get my garden together behind the garage, chilling for a minute. I'm gonna have tomatoes. That's all I'm gonna have, man, because I think the chemtrails is doing something to the soil, man. So I put some cardboard over where I usually have my garden at, in that area right there. I got another spot. I think I'm gonna plant me an apple tree right there. So I'm just gonna have tomatoes. They give me an apple tree. I got some kind of tree in back of me that I plant. I think it's a fruit tree. I think it's gonna bloom too. So anyway, black light checking in. We don't hear the brothers talking about chemtrails no more. I'm still gonna talk about everything that we was talking about last year before that. Chemtrails, Flint water crisis. I'm not gonna let this Eric Holden Nipsey Hustle lie go away, lay dead. You know, we're gonna keep that on my page. You know, that, and because it's gonna become self-evident that you know, it's beginning to get to be martial law. They're pushing for that. They're knocking off a whole bunch of our celebrity leaders that has influence on a lot of people, like Nipsey, like Prince, Michael. They got influence on the world, man. You know, the mother brothers, you know, they ain't gonna worry about us. They ain't gonna worry about me. I ain't got no influence. So that's why I'm gonna talk, you know, keep y'all up front with what's going on. I'm gonna say it straight with no chaser. Black light.